Welcome to Branch Eats. I'm Leslie. Today I have a super quick demo for you. Today we're gonna learn how to make bacon lattice. What is bacon lattice? So it's woven bacon baked and then used as a topping for many different things. Might I suggest mac and cheese, savory pie as demoed here today, even like casserole. You could double it and put it on like a big casserole. All you need is a half sheet pan, parchment, and 12 strips of bacon. And that'll make about however long your bacon is, it makes that length and width of bacon lattice. So if you have a large casserole, double it. Do you want to put it on a pizza? Actually, that's kind of genius. Put it on a pizza. Do that. Delicious.